talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis,
Boo.
Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend.
Hi, the Very Big Nation. Wagwan. I'm here going to the Mayas. Look after what I go to the gym afterwards because my van gym closed. So that's where I'm going afterwards. Then, yeah, and then back home. So, vlog 96. I wonder if she reach. This a show closed. Wanna see? Just get a solid color. I can't even know what's it today. Here, so yeah, it was a mountain yesterday. One night.
So when you come the last time, you don't come back?
No, I've been super busy. It's hard.
From the 10 to 12 person you come back.
I'm supposed to go to the gym, but I wait. I have to push back my time.
You have a gym to work out?
No, I'm not working off anything. I'm not working off anything. I'm building up. I'm too small to work off. I'm just a tone. Just did something solid. Never want to put it as I reached the gym. My trainer was like straight into the workout. So I actually just warm up. I'm waiting on Michaela. So she went and did her nails as well. So she's running late. But tomorrow is an early day.
We go down into called Canon.
I don't vlog for money. Today is today is today is Wednesday, guys, and we just finished working out. Michaela is around there going to get green juice now. You know, the daily routine. It's how it goes. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet. I feel like we're done by super scratches after my drive up here. Hi guys! So yeah, now we're in the supermarket, going around to the little juice bar where they make that bomb green juice. Yeah, I mean, we customize it to a liking still.
Yeah, green juice all day, every day, but you know, we have to add a little apple and a little pine.
Yeah,
that's how we do things.
Focus now. It not it focusing now. Yeah.
You look white.
Yes, you do. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is work right here. Work. I did say I feel like I want to eat food. But I said no, I'm not sure. What you gonna eat?
I don't know. I might eat heavy today because for Monday.
So what you call heavy now? Like
the lasagna I had last night.
Oh yeah, lasagna. Let's see. You know, don't eat every last night. Can I eat every again tonight? Oh, macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. That looks like, I don't know what that is. Right, that's just what I was looking at. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't see garlic. Where maybe meat. Oh, that's meat. Oh, okay. Thank you. No problem. Oh, mashed potato.
Oh.
So I'm going to some of that. Yeah.
So where you going by?
My strategy is.
Yes.
So
What's your strategy?
Say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yes.
Eating very light, meaning like salads and greens, like eating clean. And then for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I might eat heavy, and then I go clean again for one day.
You're
which will be Sunday.
On the weekend.
Yeah.
Get down dirty.
And then so during the week is like green juice straight.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
3 days clean.
Yeah.
Another 3 days however I want to eat, but I'm still trying to maintain a healthy balance still. And then, you know, so it's just like, you know, I need to get my protein, my carbs, and all of my minerals and stuff. It's just a combination. Just whatever works for your body, you know. Keep it in, should be looking there and not there.
Yeah, it's a true. I still do it a lot.
Show Sunil.
You might hide him face with the high.
Show everyone.
Yeah, they're the ones them do the juice the right way. Yes.
Sunil, come here now. Sunil is being crazy.
Yes.
Sunil. That's Sunil.
Yes.
Ask for him. He makes the green juice.
Yes.
See? So ask for him. Fruit and juice bar.
Yes. Michaela. Nothing. Oh. There.
Blanc. Bye, Sunil, and thank you.
Lord. Alright.
I'm just showing them the green juice.
You're probably the same height as Shami. I'm shorter than everybody. Yeah, Shami Canada. It's shorter than life. I'm shorter than everybody. Like, can you imagine if you were supposed to do vlogging?
I'd be like, oh, this is hard. I have to hold the camera with you every day.
Every single day.
Adrian.
Hello.
Hi.
Go fast straight.
My hair looks crazy. Like, what is this?
Today.
What is? Why the hair looks so? Look there. I don't know.
We'll meet Ryan and Steve. We're not buying more salad today. We eat salad yesterday. We eat salad every day. Well, not every day, but
Too much salad.
No, I understand. How much green we done at drinking at this.
So sit down and another corner.
This one feel kind of good still. The fun.
Something that
I just wait for my driver, Travis. So just a one kill sometime. So I'll see you guys in like a second. Alright? I'm gonna buy for drink. So I'm here at Scotches. I'm going to buy a soup to drink for lunch. Cause as myself, we never want the salad today, so this is what I'm getting. Plus, I'm not really that hungry. I ate some fruits this morning. Still drinking my green juice because it's not finished. And I'm gonna buy this soup. Guys, Friday morning, we kind of reached too early. Sure, not there on about this, so say hi.
No, real gangster.
You said Toffee say hi. You said no know what this is with the fun in the last. Very quiet. Guys.
Boy, I'll say what they'll come friend of the video with.
Yeah. Gangster me with my gangster. Gangster trainer now.
Guys. Michaela Nurkic. Yes.
Okay, that's how we can know.
Yes, I know Shri.
Then one plan for bodybuilding show of a girl guy 1 year, you know. You know, the boy I was jump up. I'm not going to hold on and say, oh yeah, go easy.
If I do something after they feel shame about it, they're not going to talk about it. Your best friend. That's what we're like.
The bottom of a mistake, sir. Yeah, that's the
One time we got a place with them, I'm not going to go places with
Michaela Nurkic. So I'm waiting on her. I left out super early today because I had to go, and I'm going to get a hairstylist to make a wig for me because it's a well, not different time, but I just didn't want to try out something different, so I get a new look. So yeah, that's what I did. That's how I said early. So I'm still started. I'm like probably the next half an hour before we start workout there. So they're just here chilling, chatting away.
Just be quiet. You have to respect them.
6.5 hours later.
You like to stop, man?
So?
Not stop. You not stop on this moment I want to tell you.
It's a video one, man. A video.
I said if I can.
Jesus! Yes. Eso. So I set up business. You don't even realize all that.
Neatly and gone.
Everything we just say. I hear the joke, no? It goes straight to America and yeah. Lord of mercy. Hey, so come for your camera now.
Yeah. I'll check it.
I know where to put the camera. Just warm though. I don't know what to do today if I go focus on, you know, core and arms or upper body or lower body. We focused on lower body a lot yesterday though. So yeah.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Show it what you want. Show it what you need. My niggas run the game. We ain't never leave. Counting up this money. We ain't never sleep. You got V 12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got weed, got molly. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need.
Peace out.
Yes.
No sensation.
Yes. Machine is up here to the light, it's gone. And that man say, oh wait, oh. Emma, come. Okay, what happened to him? What? It's so weird. Why on earth are you so awkward? So I'm going to try something different. So today, I don't want any pineapples in mine, just me. Just the green apples. And yeah, the straight green with green apples.
Or should we take the challenge?
I don't know if you want to join me.
Should I take the challenge, guys? What do you think?
Yes, that's what them say.
Without the
I don't think you're gonna like it, you know.
No,
remember that kale, you know.
I don't think I will, but
you probably need to try. Change is good.
okay, we're going to change. Should I take the challenge?
No? What?
He said no.
Seriously? You think she should take the challenge?
No, he said yes already.
Think she should take the challenge of trying it without pineapple?
Okay, so that's 2-1. So I'm gonna have to take the challenge, guys. They're gonna make the meat green without sweetening it at all.
No.
Which means no pineapple, no apple.
Nah, wait, no. So we're not gonna put the apple in the meat. It's
That's
a
what
little
you said. You said
no
no
meat,
pineapple.
no pineapple, but I want green apple in there.
That's not gonna make much of a difference. So
Alright.
just put the apple and the pineapple together.
But it kind of want the apple. I mean, because I feel like no pineapple. No pineapple.
Probably gonna taste sweet same way.
Okay, take out the apple then. This is gonna taste nasty, Michaela.
I know, but
Michaela, I don't know if I know. Me never did cold turkey on this one, you know. I was trying to do like a subtle deduction here. I was trying to be.
Okay,
no.
So what's it gonna be?
Just a little green apple with everything else neat. Yeah. Them there? You ready? Ready? Done.
Yes.
Done. Oh my gosh. It's bad?
Not so bad, but it's not really.
Oh my
Not
god.
really. It's definitely a lot greener.
It tastes like grass.
Soup?
I was
despise you. It's not Laura.
This is what I'm gonna start getting though.
Never again.
I'm going to start getting this every day, guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do better.
I need my serving of fruit. I'm gonna keep on getting my pineapple.
So now you said you eat pineapple every day like a
Oh really?
Guys, I ended up coming to White Bones to buy soup. I had my green gooseberry. I mean, it's not as bad. Not everybody will like it though, because it's not that tasty, but it's not that bad. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my soup. I ordered the kung soup. So hello. So yeah, I'm just going to grab it and go, and then I have to go to the hairstylist to pick up my wig. So that's what's up, and I'll talk to you guys in vlog 97. No, vlog 98. So yeah, that's how it will be sometime. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday. All right, bye.
Divine presents the first anniversary. Day party, rap your swagger. Saturday, June 25th. Boom, boom, confirm, firm. Lando Sparks with the girls. New vibes from the well. Get a classic year 10. Make sure on the forward right roller. At Winter Street's banquet, 295 Treadwell Street in a Hamden City.